welcome back to my channel. In previous sessions, we have learned how to link the CSS style sheet to the HTML using the link tag. Few elements like a div and heading, paragraph, button elements, we have discussed all these things. Coming to CSS rule set, we have discussed about text align and font styles, color properties in the previous sessions, right? So now we are going to have some a basic structure in this video. So how you are going to do that means, as I already said, we have the container, right? So moving all these heading, paragraph, button elements into a container, that is called a div, right? So that is called a div. So we are giving attribute called class to the div element, moving all this text directly into the center. In previous video we have done, so we have given a class attribute to the heading element and as well as paragraph element and as well as button element, right? To overcome that, we are going to give directly a class attribute to the div element and moving all these elements into the center. So how we are going to do that? Let's discuss in this video. So here, first of all, write down the class attribute. And for this class attribute, name the value as card, and then we need to write the text align property. So before that, what is the rule set for the CSS? So first we need to put dot, and then we need to write the selector. What is the selector here? Here I am choosing the selector as the card. So paste it here. Like a color is a property and green is a value. So like that, we have the property and value pair. For HTML, we have attribute and value. Now I'm going to add the text align property. Text align. So I want to move all the elements to the center, right? So I'll type here center. All the elements in the div element have moved to the center. Okay. So now we'll write a class attribute to each and every element in the card container. Okay. For heading element, I have written the main heading, and for paragraph element, I have added the paragraph value. So I have added these things to the heading and paragraph element. And then now I want to change the color of the text of main heading. Okay. I want to change the color of the main heading. So I'm going to choose the selector from the HTML part using the dot. So here is the main heading is the class value, right? So add the main heading here, and then I want to change this GSK groups into blue in color, right? I'm going to add the color to the paragraph. Same as similar to the heading element, we need same like that. I want to add the background color to the whole container. How you are going to add? So as I discussed in the previous video, so we are going to add using the background color property in the CSS rule set, right? So here I have the card. So this card is already contains a different elements like heading, paragraph, and button elements. For all these elements, I'm going to add the background color to the card, right? So how you are going to add background color? Using the background color property. So here light blue, right? So see here, it is changed to the light blue background color. So this is about the structure what we have learned till now, right?